Lose some weight, they say. It will be good for you, they say. But no one ever talks about all the hindrances standing in the way of doing that. Scheduling an appointment with a trainer, paying said trainer. Thankfully, AI exists. AI is always at your beck and call. You pay nothing for its services. Plus, it won't make your life a living hell on those rare occasions when you fail to stick to your diet and exercise plan. Little wonder many are now turning to ChatGPT for fitness advice. But is AI the way to go when trying to lose weight? Well, AI's weight loss advice won't kill you, but it might not work the way you want. Because fitness is not a one-size-fits-all matter. Everyone is unique and so is their body. This is why good fitness coaches consider your personal goals, current physical condition, medical history, and physical limitations when creating your fitness plan. ChatGPT, Bard, and the rest don't have that information. So its recommended fitness plans are too generalistic. Plus, AI can't see you while you botch your exercise routines. So it's not going to correct you, meaning you might just be breaking all that sweat and enduring all that pain for nothing. But before you use this as an excuse to never start, as I said before, AI's weight loss advice won't kill you. In fact, its general advice can be that first step you need to actually start doing something about your health for a change. Honestly, it's not a bad way to start your weight loss journey.